Well, hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. Today I go cooking up some fried chicken. Yes, fried chicken, Jamaican style in my kitchen. So if you don't want to see how me fry my fried chicken in my kitchen, come on and let's roll. Now let's get to the ingredients. First, I have here some chicken. This is just the legs and thigh. I washed it, cleaned it with vinegar and lemon juice. Make sure say the chicken is well cleaned. Dry ingredients is going to be paprika, salt, black pepper, and I'm also going to use some Jamaican all-purpose seasoning into this. And that is optional. Then I'm going to add some milk. And this is a cup of milk. I'm just going to pour it on there. Also going to need 2 pounds of all-purpose flour. Okay? And of course, you're going to need your cooking oil. I'm also going to use 2 eggs for this recipe. So come on and let's get go with this. So okay guys, here we go. The first thing we're going to do, I would say about a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to add some salt. And this is the sea salt. I'm going to put in some hot pepper sauce. So I'm going to add some hot pepper sauce in here. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add my milk in here. So remember, I started out with 2 eggs. You make sure you beat that up real good. And then you pour it on top of your chicken, just like so. So okay guys, I'm just gonna rub all of this thing in. If you don't want to use your hands, you go ahead and use a fork, alright? But make sure you get the liquid and all the pepper and the salt and everything. Make sure you get every piece of chicken seasoned to the very last bit, alright? You're gonna let this sit. You're gonna let it sit. I'm gonna let mine sit for no less than half an hour. And when half an hour come around, and half an hour to 45 minutes, but just let it sit so it could soak up all of that milk and salt and pepper and everything else. And then we're gonna fry. So here you go guys, let's get our dry ingredients ready. Alright, now I'm gonna add my 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You add your salt, your pepper, basil leaf, and of course my Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and dunk everything in. Mix all the dry ingredients together. You're going to take the chicken and put it in the dry ingredients. It's very, very simple, and trust me, the thing nice bad. If you follow this step carefully, trust me, you can't go wrong. Alright? Alright, so all you have to do is just mix up the flour on the chicken, just like so. Now the next thing you can do, otherwise you know guys, you can, if you have a brown paper bag or one of them plastic wrap, you can also put the chicken in there and shake it up and all them things there. But me like to do it the old fashioned way, because back in the days when my mother did that fried chicken, she never have them wonderful things enough time. You have to just get a basin, put the flour and the mixture in there, put the chicken in the mixture and just use the fork and go through with it. So this is what it should look like when you put the chicken in the flour and you get it ready for frying. So let's go to the next step of frying. Pan here and the fire up on medium high. Make sure you fire up on medium high now. Put a lot of oil in the pot because you want when you put the chicken in there, the chicken covered as much as possible. Just shake it off before you drop it in. And you put it in nice and slow. You don't want to have the thing all splash all over the place and everybody and everything, including the cellophane, all get burned up. So you put it in nice and slow. Now you're going to fry your chicken on one side for nothing less than 10 minutes, alright? And then you turn it to the other side 10 minutes. Keep a close eye upon it. Nobody go watch TV and left for the chicken and fry and then burn up the chicken. So there you have it guys. The chicken has been frying for 10 minutes on medium heat. So now I'm going to turn it over on the other side. It should be a nice golden brown. Beautiful. See how nice and crunchy that is? So I'm going to turn it on the other side. And I'm going to let it fry on the other side for another 10 minutes. And it should be ready to be taken out. So there you have it. Right there. That's how it should look. A nice golden brown. Alright. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and fry up this batch. I'm going to fry the second batch. And when I'm all done with this fried chicken, I'm going to show you what it looks like on a plate. Okay. So see you back in 10 minutes. So there you have it, guys. My fried chicken is all done. Jamaican style in my kitchen. Alright. Delicious, guys. Delicious. So here's what I'm going to do for you guys. Make it even better. I'm going to put it on a plate and I'm going to make a complete meal with rice and peas, vegetable, and all them good stuff there. So see you back in a few minutes. All done. A complete meal. Rice and peas, fried chicken, vegetable on the side, plantain, and some good old-fashioned Jamaican style gravy. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, like and subscribe. Tell me what you like me to see cooking in my kitchen next, okay? And once again, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! For a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.